did a wonderful job. Judges?
I feel like you did a great job. I liked your emotion and how you played and sang to us. Thank you.
I really like how you looked up and you engaged the audience, you engaged us as judges. It was beautiful. A good choice of song too. I really thought that was pretty.
Amelia, I also thought that your facial expressions, you really were into the song. That was amazing. Eye contact was great, and you just did a beautiful job.
I'm going to have to agree that your pitch is very nice. Tremolo was used very nicely as well. I just happened to hear you play before this, and judged by that, I think that you could have added a little bit more to the piano side. I mean, your voice is phenomenal. However, if you would have accented maybe a little bit on the bass side, it would have created a nice separation of music there. I think you should experiment with that. That was wonderful.
That was a very good job.